Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to make a business page on Facebook. So let's start. It's very simple to do it. So you just have to go to Facebook and then just go to the right corner to our main menu, and then let's go to the menu that appears here and select pages. Here you have many options. Just you have to click on the option that says create. Just click there, and where if you want to connect with people, make my friends or public followers, okay, just click next. And then just here how you want to create your public, just create a separate page. Just click here on next, and then just click on get started. Here you will write the page name. For example, if you want to create a new one, just click on choose test, okay, and just click on next. And here you will find the category, of course, clothing, health, beauty, and then just create it. Then when you create a page, well, you have to write more, for example, information, general, video, contact, the website, email, phone number, location, etc. The hours, if you have a local or you have a business about it, you can write the hours that is open, and then just press next. And you can write or upload your picture. You can upload picture, profile picture, a cover picture, and then just press next. When it's ready, you can invite your friends here. If you want to invite someone, you can do it, just press next, and then you inform about your page and notifications, and then okay. So of course you have to be careful about what you write. It's with more time. In this case only I am showing you how to create it, but of course when you have time you can write, be careful of the information about your page without any problem, and in this way you create it. As you can see here we have the new Facebook page, and now you only have to complete all the information about it. And well guys, I hope this information helps you. If it worked for you, don't forget to give a like to this video and subscribe to our channel.